How to download or install College Football 25 EA. So the very first thing you should know that the College Football 25 EA game has not been officially released due to the discontinuation of the NCAA football series by EA Sports. However, in the further process, if you want to know how you can download, then what you want to do is first of all head over to any of the web browser and then visit the official EA Sports website or a trusted online retailer where the game is available for purchase. Let me head over to the website ea.com. It will land you on the official page of EA. In this page, you'll get to see the option where it says Buy Now. You have to click on it. It will land you on this interface. So in this page, you will be able to see two platforms. One is Xbox and the other is PlayStation. After you click on any one of it, you will likely to have an option to download the game installer directly from your EA account dashboard. You have to click on the download link provided. The file size can be substantial, so ensure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient storage space on your PC. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompt of the installation wizard and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can install or download College Football 25 EA. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.